How to make pizza at home. Making pizza at home can be a fun and delicious activity. Here's a recipe to make a basic pizza dough in sauce, and how to assemble and bake your pizza. Ingredients for pizza dough. 1. 2 1/4 teaspoons, 1 packet, active dry yeast. 2. 1 teaspoon sugar. 3. 1 1/2 cups warm water. 4. 3 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. 5. 2 teaspoons salt. 6. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Ingredients for pizza sauce. 1. 14-ounce can crushed tomatoes. 2. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 3. 1 teaspoon salt. 4. 1 teaspoon sugar. 5. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 6. 1/4 teaspoon dried oregano. 7. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Ingredients for pizza toppings. 1. 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. 2. Your choice of toppings, such as sliced pepperoni, sliced mushrooms, diced onions, sliced bell peppers, cooked sausage, etc. Instructions. 1. Make the pizza dough. In a large bowl, combine the yeast, sugar, and warm water. 1. Let it sit for 5 minutes, or until the mixture becomes foamy. 2. Add the flour, salt, and olive oil to the bowl and stir until a dough forms. 3. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface and knead it for 5 to 10 minutes, or until it becomes smooth and elastic. 4. Place the dough in a clean bowl, cover it with a damp towel, and let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. 5. Make the pizza sauce. In a small saucepan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. 5. Add the crushed tomatoes, salt, sugar, black pepper, oregano, and garlic powder. 5. Stir to combine, and let the sauce simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, or until it has thickened. 6. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. 7. Roll out the pizza dough into a circle, about 12 to 14 inches in diameter, and place it on a greased pizza pan or baking sheet. 8. Spread the pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a small border around the edge. 9. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. 10. Add your desired toppings. 11. Bake the pizza for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. 12. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade pizza.